Jonathan here at St.Albert Dodge. Hope you're having an amazing day. Just want to show off a very fresh trade. This particular type of package has been our best seller for as long as I've been with the Jeep product in the last few years. We sell tons of them. This is what they call the Altitude package, a 2BZ. So it's Laredo with that Altitude pack. What that gives you is the contrasting appearance group. So you're gonna have like black rims, badging, headlight surrounds, you get the grille. Let's get the black surround as well with a little bit of chrome in there just to kind of make a good, nice contrast. And then we'll have to show you the interior in a moment, but beautiful red pearl paint. Previous owner did put some paint protection film on the hood and the bumper and everything. Looks really sharp. Beautiful red pearl, like I say. Grand Cherokee, it's a 22, so the WK. So with the 22, they get the little anniversary placard right there showing an old World War II Willis Jeep there. Taking a look back here, get the parking sensors in the back. Gonna open up and get the automatic hatch. That's one of the features on here. This particular one's got the sun and sound group. So you got a subwoofer here, upgraded Alpine stereo, and I'll show you the sunroof in a moment there. Cargo cover, super handy to have. Keep all your stuff out of sight and out of mind. Taking a look back here, spare tire, jack, everything's right there. And of course, a little couple of clips on there. You can put some grocery bags or some odds and ends on there. And then your 12-volt receptacle if you need to plug in like an electric cooler, fill up an air mattress, that kind of a thing. Close the door. Taking a look in the second row, you do have reclining rear seats, so the seat back will recline back a few inches and also fold flat. I'll just quickly fold that here down. 60-40 split. Give you a relatively flat floor. 3 child anchor positions in the back, so if you have lots of car seats, you can take little people with you. 120-volt inverter back here, so household power off your engine. Got 150 watts, so good for, again, electric coolers, like I said, in the back. Baby bottle warmers, fast charging phones, all sorts of stuff, food warmers, whatever you need. Beautiful leather trim seat with the suede mesh interior. Really sharp, good, good flexibility and comfort in there. Get the not panoramic, but the standard sunroof on the top. And it is a Jeep, so you get one of the best 4x4 systems on the market. You can kind of go over that with you and let you know the capabilities, but it is a really great system. Power driver seat, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, forward collision assist, automatic braking, emergency braking if you're ever gonna rear end someone who's got a camera sensor right by the mirror. It'll put the brakes on. And then of course you got your lane departure as well. 8.4-inch touchscreen, so you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM. Just under 30,000 kilometers on this at time of filming. Great Jeep, gonna last you a long time. V6 engine, great on fuel, lots of power for the highway. Come down, take a look, give me a shout on myself, 780-952-3018. We'll talk to you soon.